In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom list view for the relationship panel. First, we need to create a new contact. Go to the contacts entity and create a new record. Now you can create case for test purposes. After creation, you'll see how cases are displayed by default. Now navigate to Administration, choose Entity Manager, and then select the case entity. Proceed to the Layout Manager and create a new layout. Name it appropriately. Choose Created Layout and add fields which should be displayed in Relationship Panel. Next, we can access the settings of the Contacts entity and select the proper layout for the relationship between contacts and cases. After saving new layout for relation, you can get back to contacts to check how cases are displayed after your changes. Now that you've learned how to customize your list view for the relationship panel, I encourage you to try it out for yourself. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, don't hesitate to leave a comment below.